Hey y'all, thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty blush and Petal Poppin and put it all over my lids. Quick reminder before we get back into the look, I upload new shorts every Monday and brand new makeup tutorials every Friday. So make sure you subscribe if you want to keep up with all my content. Next, I'm just taking a brown eyeshadow and putting it in my crease and just making sure everything is blended. Okay, I already put on my lashes and my moisturizer, and now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Eye Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To cover the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. To highlight, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that is sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Honey Translucent to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in 65 Toffee. For blush, I'm going to use the same Fenty blush that I used on my eyes. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Too Much. For lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lip Liner and Club Hopper, and then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty blush, and then go over it with a clear lip gloss. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial featuring the Fenty Beauty blush and being able to use it in 3 different ways: eyes, cheeks, and lips. I think it's a great way to maximize this one product. So like I said, I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know. I'll see all of you in the next one, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.
All right, let's see what this can do.